Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video and I hope you're having a great night. Tonight I'm going to put together a journal and I hope that you craft along with me, and I'm going to use these papers. I receive catalogs and junk mails all the time and I just put them in my recycling bin, and then all these pieces of paper from my previous crafting, and so I am going to go ahead and use them as the base for my junk journal. When I receive junk mails and catalogs, I just put them in the recycle basket and recycle bin, and then I just bring them out for collection on Tuesdays. But sometimes I keep the paper because I like to use them as base for my junk journal. And when I get beautiful magazines like this, I keep them because I use the images and make them ephemera. And I also use them to make a glue book. So this catalog from Uline, I always receive. I think I receive them monthly and I just put them back in the recycle bin, but I still have some catalogs here, so I am going to use them. I will also use some of this paper. I have tons of small pieces of paper and this cardboards, so this will be used tonight, and I hope that you craft along with me. It is going to be fun, so stay with me. I am back. And so we still have all this paper, and I'm going to keep them for my next junk journal. But I have put together all this paper to make a signature, and this is going to be the base for my book. And then I will go to the recycle bin again and choose some papers from my previous projects. And then I will decorate this book and then show you the finished project. It will be in the next video. Anyways, thanks so much everyone for joining me tonight. And please do not forget to join my birthday challenge giveaway. It is going on until December 20th. I may extend the deadline just because I got some emails saying that they may not be able to meet the deadline because of shipping. And I understand it really takes a longer time now for our mails to arrive. So I may extend that, but I hope that you join, and I will provide the link in the description. Also, please join me in the Feel of Vintage 2021 collaboration, and that is not until March, so you have plenty of time to make projects. I also received an email, and the question was whether she can join the Feel of Vintage 2021 collaboration, but she didn't have any vintage items in her home, but she can turn them into vintage look, so if that is okay. So I would like to say yes. If you have items that you think that you can give them a vintage look and you want to join the collaboration, you're welcome. You can do that. Hopefully we attract more crafters to join this collaboration because it's going to be fun. Okay, so that's all I have for today. And again, please do not forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and have a great weekend ahead. Take care. Bye now. Till next time.